The illusion of speed is very prevalent at this time. There's a certain reality that you are beginning to experience where you are out of time-space continuum and there isn't time in the way that you know it. Time that's measured out in seconds, in minutes, in hours, in days, in months, in weeks, in years, in eons. Time that is measured. No, that measurement of time is a false measurement. It served its purpose and still serves its purpose in your world. Time is fluid. Understand the clock of the heavenly bodies around the earth, the sun and the moon. The moon that you are experiencing right now in its fullness, that has begun its begun to wane again, as it does every 30 days or so. It builds and ebbs and flows. It contracts and expands. It appears and disappears. However you want to look at that, there's a flow to it. You have a natural flow within yourself. The earth has a natural flow within her being. When you can tap your earth vibration that exists within you into the earth's vibration of the planet herself, you will find that time does not feel like it's speeding by. You will find that you do not feel pulled or pushed by time. You will find that you do not feel anxiety. So, if you are feeling increased anxiety at different times, increased agitation, you are pushing your way through the birth canal into a different time zone. You have time zones on your earth. You have time zones across Europe, across Asia. You have international time zones, and you measure time zones by something you call Greenwich Mean Times. You have sidereal time zones that measure the time of stars. You are now moving out of both those time zones and into another reality of understanding time. Just as you begin to slightly understand the time zones on Earth, you move out of it into a new vibration of time. Nothing like what you have known, not limiting, vibrating and merging with you and your being, so that everything that you do is in perfect time. So we will say to you this: instead of calling it time zones, as you measure them or know them on Earth, we now move you into the awareness of perfect time. Breathe that in now with the palms open. I am in perfect time. I am in perfect time. You are in perfect time. We are in perfect time. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. We are in perfect time. We are in perfect time. You are in perfect time. I am in perfect time. Hold your palms open. Repeat that over and over silently. I am in perfect time, as you tone now 9 times. Perfect time lies in your cells, in your inner knowing, in your brain. Breathe it in and repeat it again. We ask you to do this exercise in physical form for yourself. We ask you, when you get off this teleconference this evening, sometime in the hour, half hour after it, that you write out perfect time on a canvas, on a wall, on a piece of paper, somewhere. Write it out, not typed but written in cursive. I am in perfect time. I am in perfect time. Perfect time. I am in perfect time. Just simply write it out so that you'll have it. You are actually moving into this new time, this new way of being with time, and it will take some adjustment. You will sometimes feel the pressure of moving faster. You will sometimes feel the pressure of feeling you're too slow. You will sometimes feel the pressure of fear of missing something. You will sometimes feel the pressure in different ways. Perfect time. You are all in perfect time. Every time is perfect time. There is no future, there is no past, there is only now, and that is perfect time. To understand perfect time in your vibratory field, your current vibratory field, and in your body at this time, you need to be fully present in the moment more and more often. This shifts you and helps you absorb the vibration of perfect time. Shifts you into it and helps you absorb it. Two things are going on. You are moving into it and you are embodying it. Perhaps these don't entirely make sense. It is as if you were stepping into a fog and you were actually moving into that vibration of the fog, and you were feeling it and you were breathing it into your body. Fog is a heavy moisture on your planet, and you can feel it seep into your body, seep in through your clothes, come into your pores, change the tone of your skin, change your body, change you as you breathe it into your lungs. So the time that you are experiencing now, the perfect time, is a shifting into a space, just as if you were walking into a space of fog, and an absorbing into your being. Your body is adjusting to this movement. Mentally repeat, I am in perfect time. This is one of the most important things I can share to your consciousness, besides the connection, the blessing, and the merging and the becoming of the flowers, of the flower vibration. Perfect time. Perfect time. There'll be a period of adjustment. For most of you, if you begin to embrace perfect time by chanting it in your being, by writing it out and noticing it and remembering it, by practicing being connected, mind, body, soul, spirit, all together at once, being fully present in the moment, you will take 3 to 4 months in the old time, as you understand it, to fully adjust. Some of you will take longer. Again, it's all perfect time. So you don't have to measure it in that way. You can understand that you are also adjusting to your own nature, your own vibration, and that adjustment creates perfect time. It's a bit of a paradox, we understand. Perfect time in perfect beings. You are perfect beings. I am Quan Yin. Brothers and sisters, I call on you to be with me in circle of light.